Welcome to Oodle. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to create a logs-based alert using our log metrics tool. Perfect for tracking error spikes or unusual activity in your services. Let's say you want to get alerted when a service logs too many errors. First, to view logs with errors, you can search or filter the log level by error. Once you've got an idea of an alert threshold you want to set, let's go to the Log Metrics page to create a metric. Click on New Log Metrics. Let's name it Logs Error Count. Add a new filter for the log level. Add a metric name, we can call it Error Count. You can also add labels for precision and more flexibility. Now that you've created a metric, we can simply click the Alert button to create an alert on this metric. We're then taken to the Alerts Editor page, and we see that the new log metric is already selected. No extra query writing needed. Set your condition. For example, alert if errors are greater than 25 in a 5-minute window. You can choose different severities depending on how urgent the issue is. Next, choose where alerts should go: Slack, email, PagerDuty, or your webhook of choice. You can also customize the message with helpful context, like which service or host triggered the alert. Once you're finished, just click Save, and you're done. Your logs alert is now active and watching for trouble. That's it! You've just created a log-based alert in Oodle using log metrics. Thanks for watching.